Hi guys, Aly Dosdall here at the We Are Memory Keepers booth at Creativation 2018, and I'm going to show you our brand new Precision Press Advanced. This tool is so awesome for stampers, and it makes you feel like a pro. What's great is it doesn't have the hinge that most of the stamping tools have now, so that you can use any depth of stamp. If you've got the rubber cling stamps, acrylic stamps, you can use any of those. So there's no issue with having stamps that are too thick or not thick enough. So it's really great for that. And all you're going to do is line it up on this block, and these blocks are actually sold separately. So if you're doing like a bulk project and you have layered stamps, you can get a couple of these and just keep your stamp in place and use 2 of them to get your project going. Now all I'm going to do is take my 3x4 card or whatever size card you want, stick it in there, line up the pegs so you never have to guess where to place it. It's perfectly placed every time. It's got these rubber knobs here to help get a perfect impression. And there you go. And these are the new Vicky Bouton stamps and the Vicky Bouton color wheel inks, which are really juicy and beautiful. So that'll be coming in the summer, so keep your eyes out, guys.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!